Reaching start are very spectacular. All the boats screaming to the first buoy. Everybody wants to get to the same place at the same time. And if it's windy, we'll all be somewhere between 25 and 30 knots. Scary at times, but worth watching.
Southern Sardinia took on a completely different complexion for day 3 of the GC32 Villasimius Cup. A dark, overcast sky and rain replaced the previous day's summery conditions. Despite this, 5 races were held in tricky, shifty conditions. Oman Air, skippered by Adam Minoprio, had a great day on the water with a hat-trick of wins out of the 5 races sailed. His team start the final day of racing here in Villasimius in first with an 8-point advantage over Alinghi, who climbed to second thanks to their great consistency. Defending GC32 Racing Tour champions Norauto had a tricky day on the water and going to the final day in 4th position.
Today it was a great result for us. We did lose 1 point on Oman Air, but we will be up there for tomorrow and the last day of racing, and we are second tonight, so it's really good to be on the top. And the crew did a really good job sailing today. I think we did 3 second place, 1 fourth and 1 win, so we could have done a little bit better, but the other one sailed really well, and we had a great fight with Oman Air and Adam today.